G'day, how you going? Ianapolis here. Today I got mail. Welcome to my I Got Mail video. This is where I do a short little video when somebody sends me a package or a parcel and I get mail. I like to open it up on camera to show you just how lovely you people are and what you've sent me. So today I've got something from Noreen Bridgman, all the way from the UK. I'm in Australia, so thank you very much, Noreen Bridgman.
Who's Noreen Bridgman, Ian?
Oh, that's little buddy, by the way. She's a follower of mine.
I've actually seen some of her art on your group and she's better than you, mate.
Yeah, she's not a bad little artist, that Noreen Bridgman little buddy. All right, so can I open this?
Yeah, get right into it. What did she send you? What did she send you?
I'm not sure yet. I'm going to open it and have a look. So I've got my box cutting knife here and I'll see what the lovely Noreen Bridgman has sent us, okay?
I hope it's something for me, Ian. I really do.
Well, we'll see, eh? She might have sent you something or she might have sent you bugger all, mate. Who knows? All right. It's double wrapped, brown paper. Put that over there.
Just get into it, Ian. Open it.
I am, mate. Just relax, relax. Little buddy's a cheeky bugger, those of you who don't know little buddy. All right.
Oh, looks like a desk lamp, Ian.
No, I think that's just the box that she sent it in. Okay, because there's, if it's a desk lamp, it's broken, little buddy, because something's rattling in there.
Oh, no, you're joking. No,
it's all right. Let's have a look. So we'll open this up. Oh, beautiful. Look at what we got here.
What is it, Ian? What is it? Oh, wow.
Cat treats. The cats are going to love them. Bernard Watson.
Where's Steve? Where's Bernard?
They'll be around somewhere. So we've got some cat treats. I'll put them there so you can see them. We've got this is probably sent around Christmas time. We've got a lovely Christmas hat. Thank you very much for that. I'll be able to wear that next year. Okay. Oh, look at we got there. Beautiful. What colour blue is that one? Oh, no, it's not blue. I was looking at the blue here. It's titanium white.
Wow, you use a lot of that colour, don't you, Ian?
Yep. Yes, I sure do. And it's gouache. Titanium white. Thank you very much. Now, what else do we have in here? We got a couple of fridge magnets.
Oh, I like fridge magnets, Ian. One
there from London, England. And we got another one here. This is obviously the London Eye. Okay, so I'll show you both of those. Beautiful. Thank you very much, Noreen.
Noreen, you are a champion. Love you to bits, lady.
Yeah, she's a good follower, little buddy. And in this box here, we have some tiger balm. Thank you very much, Noreen. So let's see, she's got a little note here. I better do a quick edit before I read it out. She, so sorry your Christmas parcel is so late. That's okay, it got here better than never, isn't it? But I was rushed. Okay, where are we? There is a tube of gouache that is extra sparkling of white when you need it. Tiger balm and your bad back. Try it, it's good. So I can rub that on my bad back. Thank you everybody that's concerned about my bad back. It's okay. Some treats for the cats. Steve and Bernard, a silly the silly hat just for fun. And a couple of fridge magnets from London. Best wishes, Noreen Bridgman. Merry Christmas. Thank you very much, Noreen Bridgman. Check out my email on my homepage if you ever want to send me something, or just simply message me on Facebook and you can send me a message there and we can talk direct. If you ever want to send me something, it all gets open when I get mail like this, just to say thank you. And while I've got the camera going, I will also just want to let people know that if you want the blending brushes that I use in my tutorials and the putter on a brush, simply message me on Facebook as well, or send me a message request and I can get you some of these sent out. You get the putter on a brush, a 1.5 inch and a 2 inch blending brush, and they help you paint skies the way I teach in my tutorials. $45 US, and that gets them delivered to your door wherever you live in the world. So once again, thank you very much, Noreen.
Yeah, thank you so much, Noreen. You're a bloody champion.
Don't swear, little buddy.
Sorry.
Thank you very much for that.
Yes, thank you, Noreen.
And until next time I've got mail, I'll see you later, and it's Uru from the Guru.